Alright, 7 a.m. Monday morning. Finally get to deliver this 3,000 pound load. And we'll see if we get one load or if they send us home early. Who knows? Because home time is scheduled for Wednesday. I could do another load today and tomorrow, but we will see what they have in store for us. right, we got to our delivery spot eventually. People receiving did not know what was going on. Finally got clear directions on where to actually be, because I'm delivering to some construction site here at Bluebird Coachworks, where they make, you know, school buses and whatnot. So right now we are in line to get unloaded. I was here an hour early, and I don't mind waiting. You know, if I'm early, I don't mind waiting till, you know, the actual delivery time. They had to wait to get a forklift here. And the first truck, the white truck there in the background, it's taken him 50 minutes to unload what little he has on that truck. He's got 8 bundles of, you know, insulated panel and a couple little other pieces on there. And it's taken 50 minutes to get 6 of them off. He's working on the 7th right now. You know, it's not like it's heavy, not like it's complicated. Just stick it under, scoop it. I guess maybe the guy doesn't know how to operate a forklift. So I gotta wait for that guy to get out of the way. Guy in this blue Peterbilt, he's gonna back up. He's got nothing but the insulated panels. So that's probably gonna take, you know, 45 to 50 minutes for his truck. Then I can get my little couple pieces off, which will probably take them 6 hours. Who knows? By the time I get unloaded, it might be lunchtime, so I may go right across here to New Way Wieners. Who knows? Grab me a hot dog. But we will see. Alright, we got our little waste of a load off. So now we're heading away from our drop-off. And we're heading up here to a truck stop. I believe it's a Pilot or a Flying J. Over here off of 75. Nice use of a turn signal there, lady. So we're going to head up here, you know, where we have actually a decent place to park. And we're going to wait for our next load. We're going to make sure we send them a free-form message. Make sure they're aware of our home time scheduled for Wednesday. Alright, we got authorization to go ahead and take our home time a little bit early. So we have an extra, a day and a half extra to go home and enjoy ourselves, spend time with family. Basically just relax and don't have to really think of anything. So I can spend a little more time making, finalizing my design plans for a couple of storage things for the truck, which if anybody wants those plans, I will see what I can do to make them available to anybody who wants them. I guess just contact me in the email at thistruckerslife@gmail.com. And like I said, I can show you the process of what I'm doing. See how that goes. So today is the 22nd. I will be off until the 28th. So basically the entire week until Sunday. So Sunday at 8 a.m. by 8 a.m. put in my on-board status for being available for a load. And so Monday morning we should have a load. Hopefully 2,000 miles. Just to get right back into it. So we will see what kind of shenanigans we can get up to sitting on the couch instead of sitting in the truck. Alright, as per usual, I-85, I-285 around Atlanta, jam-packed, people not merging, people being stupid, basically not driving, so we're going to do a little back roading. We're on Campbellton Road, GA 154. Going to head up here to GA 6, Camp Creek Parkway. We're going to take that up to Marietta. So, you know, a little bit lower speed, but at the same time, better flow of traffic.